New evidence tonight against a woman convicted of killing her family friend by putting eye drops in her drinking water. The news comes just days before a judge is set to sentence Jessie Kershevsky. A jury recently found her guilty of killing her friend Lynn Hernan. Investigative reporter James Stratton is live in the newsroom tonight. And James, investigators now have letters that show Kershevsky tried to fake Hernan's death.
And Joyce, in this 37-page letter asking that person to take it to her grave, Kershevsky gives written instructions on how to fake a suicide confession recording from that victim. Now both of her attorneys want off the case.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Jessie R. Kershevsky, guilty of first-degree intentional homicide.
The emotional end to a trial of a woman convicted of killing a friend by poisoning her with Visine.
Were these and are these your true verdicts?
Yes.
But it appears Jessie Kershevsky was taking more than notes during and after her 3-week trial. New court filings by the state show a letter to a friend complete with instructions on how to record a fake confession of a suicide from the victim, Lynn Hernan. The 37-page letter, the state says she wrote on her own trial notes, says, quote, "I know this is crazy, but I gotta try," telling the person the exact words to say, quote, "I chose to drink Visine and end my life." During the trial, her attorney argued Hernan died of suicide, despite her death later being ruled a homicide.
It was a suicide. It looked like a suicide. For Dr. B to say a year later that the scene looks staged, how can we wrap our heads around that?
Now that attorney and another are requesting to withdraw from the trial, telling the judge her interests in protecting her law license are at issue, and if the court proceeds with sentencing, quote, "I will remain silent." Kershevsky claimed in the letter one of her attorneys told her to write the letter. The letter was handed over to the Waukesha County Sheriff's Office, who now says detectives are investigating for potential additional criminal charges. And Kershevsky has 2 lawyers. One declined to comment on the accusation when I stopped by today. The other could not be reached. The judge will hear their request to be removed from the case altogether before the sentencing on Thursday.
And James, curious to note, the state wants the attorneys to stay.
They do, Joyce. The state says the attorneys should stay. Their motion filed today adds that a new attorney would have to review weeks' worth of trial notes, and it simply would delay the entire sentencing, leaving Kershevsky to be held in the Waukesha County Jail.
We should learn more later this week. James Stratton, thank you.